Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you can hear in my voice, I am still sick, so I will not be vlogging today, unfortunately. I really need to get better before Christmas actually comes, but I thought that I would show you the gift exchange my friend Christine and I did while she was over at my house, and we filmed some videos. So sorry about no vlog today, but I hope that you enjoy this video. It was filmed quite a few days ago, but I hope that this still counts in your books as a Vlogmas video. I hope you enjoy. Oh, do I have, I think I have like, Merry Christmas, I don't know.
Hi friends! So we are ending our video series of Christine and Laura-Lee with a little bit of a gift exchange. We haven't seen each other in like over a year. It's crazy. Yeah. And Christine has to go back to Australia. And I have to stay here and go back to school. That's pretty much it. So, okay, so Christine got me all of this stuff. Okay, and now I feel like, okay, so because, okay, I don't have a card.
Neither do I told you, it's okay.
Okay, I don't have a card. Okay, so I was trying to be really mindful that you had to pack.
Aww.
So, like,
no, thank you.
Okay, but there's something, okay, so when you open it, then you're gonna see something, and then you need to open that.
Okay.
Okay, because it's something inside something. But I was just trying to be really mindful that you have to pack and that you don't have a lot of space. And if you don't like it, I won't be offended, and the gift receipt is in there, you can take it back and choose whatever you want. But I think this is practical.
Should I like open it first?
Yeah, because I feel like, look at all of this. I'm like,
that's just
so
because
scared.
I work. Okay. No, don't be scared. Ooh, Kate Spade, y'all.
I love Kate. I love Katie.
Katie Spade. Ooh, I love their packaging. Is this what I think it is?
I don't know. Okay, so it's, okay, if you open it up.
No way.
It's like a little,
I wanted one of these.
You did?
This is hilarious. I actually was, yes. You don't understand, I was about to like buy one. I need one of these because right now I literally, if I were to show you, ask JR, all my jewelry is just in this like
no
one
way.
box.
Okay, that makes me feel
so
much better because I was like so worried.
Look how beautiful, and it comes with, she put earrings in there too. Oh my god, I love them, they're perfect.
Okay, I just thought they're like really simple.
No.
And like you could wear them like to work and like every day.
I need this for travel. Like you have no,
oh my gosh.
I would use this every day. Like,
okay, I'm so happy.
I love it.
I'm so happy.
She's the best at finding presents.
Oh my
gosh, I love this.
I was like so worried because I think that's the card that I was supposed to write.
It's okay.
But I'm sorry.
I love it.
I was
this is
literally
perfect.
it like
hilarious.
What do I get somebody that works at the best place in the world? Because like typically I would do makeup, right?
Yeah.
Or like, and then she works for like the best makeup company. So I was like, okay, this is very practical for traveling.
It is. You know, hey, have you ever heard of Majuri?
Yes.
Majuri, okay. So I love their jewelry, and then I went to their store, or even online, they had one of these, and I was like, oh, I'm like, that's something that I need, because that way my necklaces and my rings and my earrings won't get all tangled. And I was like, I really want to get one. But you know, it's something that you're like, I don't think
it's not something you want to buy for yourself, because it's like,
you're like, am I being too extra by buying something like that? Because I could just throw it in a box and people are gonna be like, wow, she has a legit care. But this is so legit. I actually really wanted this.
I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, that's so funny.
Like psychic or
okay,
something.
down.
I'm gonna tell Jerry and I'm gonna like cry after I leave. I'll be a cry of happiness.
Okay, I'm gonna open this because like, look at this. Okay, but P.S. the packaging. So Christine works for Mecca. If you're on my channel, Christine works for Mecca.
I work for Mecca.
That's like the Australian version of Sephora, right? Yeah. See, this is so nice.
I had to like.
Oh my gosh. Look at all this stuff. Oh my gosh. Mecca Cosmetica. Oh, the lip mask. Oh,
I think is that the lip or eye?
This says hydrogel lip mask.
Yeah,
I am so excited because we did, well, in another video, she put a lip mask on me and it felt so nice. See,
just fun stuff.
She's teaching me how to like, oh.
It goes in the shimmering glows.
Oh,
that's the one I used
so
on
nice.
You, the middle one.
That is so nice. At least you can sample it and see
which one I like. What are these?
So it's Apot Care is a brand that, I mean, I don't know if Sephora sells Apot Care, but it's a really nice brand. They have really good serums and their skincare is really nice.
A pre-cleanser?
So you can double cleanse. So you can
and a
like,
toner. Oh my gosh.
3-step. It's like a really good, so you get like a nice glow.
Oh my gosh.
Especially in the winter when you need like your skin needs that boost.
So much.
I thought you would like that.
Oh my goodness.
Because I was like, oh, I kind of knew like her skin type, so I was like, okay, I'm like, usually I don't love to buy skincare for other people because it can be, you know, hit or miss. So
but she knows me.
I was kind of like, I know that she wants a little bit of,
oh
like,
my gosh,
glow.
I'm so excited.
Try it and review it, and then you can like tell your viewers what you think of the brand and how you think of it. The Bum Bum Cream.
The Bum Bum Cream. I literally texted you about it.
Yeah.
What did I say?
I like, have you tried this?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
It's actually really good.
She was talking about it, and I was like, oh my gosh, I never tried it. I'm so excited to try it.
She's gonna have a lot of new favorites coming up.
Seriously, like, yeah, it's gonna be the end of the month, and I'm gonna be like, so in this box, oh my gosh, so
the water
cream.
The boxes all got ruined.
Oh my gosh, the Tatcha water cream. Yeah. This is like so highly talked about.
You have to try it.
I'm so excited. And look how like it's so extra. It has like this little like scoop. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh, it smells really nice. OMG. This,
I thought maybe you wanted to try a new highlight.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah?
Oh, that's like stunning. That's such a pretty color.
Very, like,
that is so
it's
pretty.
A warm tone. It's like pink. It's like a rosy.
I have nothing like this though. The only highlighter that I really have is the Pro Glow palette.
It's nice because I feel like it's also a really cute blush topper.
Oh,
if that makes sense.
I never. Oh, that's really pretty. No, you didn't.
I knew you liked that, so I was like, it's hilarious. As she was talking about it, she's like, I found this like in Buffalo. It's so expensive. She's just like, but like it's the Bobbi Brown. Oh my gosh! And I've literally been talking about it all day, like raving about it. And I'm just like,
you are so sneaky. Oh my gosh! And
so
like
good.
for real, this is like my ride or die. Oh my
now you're
gosh, Christine, I'm gonna cry. What is this?
It's a good like night cream.
Oh.
Have you heard of this brand, Amora Vixa?
No, this is Amora Vixa.
It's kind of bougie. It's like Budapest, so it's like that's where it's.
Wow, look at the box, like the colors. Wow, I have never heard of this. She's gonna keep me young. She's gonna keep me looking so young. Ooh, it's like such a nice. Wow, this is like an ASMR jar,
right?
Like it's glass and the top is like very heavy. Wow, this looks so beautiful.
Such a bougie brand. Like their face mist is really
that
nice.
smells so good. It smells very similar to, like in a way, the vitamin enriched. Oh my gosh. Totally.
Okay. Those little samples that we just like threw in there.
Cream sorbet moisturizing for skin, for my face.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I love Caudalie.
Caudalie's a nice brand.
It's French, right?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
You're set. Now you're gonna
oh my gosh.
start the new year with
yeah,
some, like...
I'm set until the next time. Oh my gosh.
There you go.
Yay. Aw, that's so awesome. I'm so happy. Aw.
Now you have to like, when you use your bum cream, like you don't just use it on your bum, like you put it everywhere.
Oh really?
Yeah, it's actually good for everywhere. I use it on my like, arms and thighs and like
fast absorbing body cream. And it helps smooth and tighten.
Yeah,
like no other. It says
the Koopas. Actually, it has like the same. Remember the Koopa butter I was saying?
Yeah.
But okay, do you know like?
Oh my gosh.
So good.
That smells so good.
It actually like when it absorbs into your skin, it kind of changes and it becomes this really beautiful like light, not vanilla. I don't know how to explain it. It's just like kind of. It mixes good with your body chemistry.
I love this. Infused with all powerful
guarana. Guarana, it's like a high potent form of caffeine. So that's why it tightens your derriere.
We could just go, we're just gonna end this video so we can keep chatting. But thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, Christine. I'm gonna cry. We had such a good day together and I hope that you enjoyed this video and we'll see you again for another one. Bye.